Hi guys, welcome back to AlphaAvGeeks channel. So today we are flying with Qatar Airways, the Qsuite from Doha to Cape Town, and this is how it went. So before anything, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment and share. So the seat configuration is 1-to-1, and this is how the window seats look. These are ideal for people who are traveling alone and you want privacy. They also have like sliding doors, so you're ensured of your privacy. And this is what the middle seats look like. This is ideal for couples because you have access to each other and stuff. So this is me trying to do the intro, but I realized that the plane was a bit too noisy for me to speak. So as we go through the video, you'll notice that I won't be speaking a lot, so I'll just do voiceovers. I'm so sorry, but it was too noisy and you could barely hear me. So as we go along, I will be sharing with you guys facts about this plane that I am in. So it's the Qatar Airlines Boeing 777-300ER, and this is the business class that I'm in.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Martin. I will assist you with the flight. The flight time to Cape Town is around 9 hours, 30 minutes. We do have a selection of welcome beverages with our signature fresh lemonade, fresh orange juice, still sparkling water, a fruit of champagne.
I have the lime and mint something and champagne.
Would you like to go for the brut or the brut rosé?
Sorry?
Would you like to go for the brut or the brut rosé?
Rosé.
Rosé?
Yeah.
There is a compartment over there under your bag. You can open it by pulling the strap.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a strap right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, inside the compartment you will find a personal bottle of water and the noise cancelling headsets in case you want to use the entertainment system.
Okay.
And as well there is a do not disturb button over here. If you press it, a red light will illuminate and no one will come to your suite. And the call bell button, in case you need any assistance, is over there.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
I'll come shortly. The champagne, would you like to go for the brut or the rosé? Sorry.
Rosé.
Rosé?
Yeah. So immediately you walk into the Qatar Airlines business class, they offer you a welcome drink of your choice, and I had a glass of champagne and a glass of their signature lemon and mint drink, which was really nice. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, so remember I told you guys they have sliding doors, so this is what the sliding doors look like. So when you board this plane, you're ensured of complete privacy, like complete, literally. So as I have my drink, I'm just gonna tell you guys more about this trip and this plane. So to kick off our world tour, I just wrapped the best business class flight ever. So this is the Qatar Airlines Boeing 777-300ER plane, and I was lucky to get the Qsuite this time. I missed it when I was flying from Nairobi to Doha, so I was very excited to experience it. It was my first time, and this plane is actually 6.7 years old. Can you imagine? It's that old, but it looks really nice. So we decided to take the longest route to Cape Town just so we can experience the Qsuite and like show you guys everything. So my flight was for 9 hours and 30 minutes from Doha to Cape Town. So I'm just gonna stop talking now and just show you guys. But this was one of the best flights I've ever taken. It was really nice considering it was at almost 10 hours flight. I had a great time, and the flight attendants was super nice, super caring. The food was nice, comfortable plane. So I'm just gonna stop rambling and show you guys everything. But before I do that, make sure you follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna leave our handles on the screen and down below, and in case of anything, make sure you comment down below. And yeah, let's do this. Let's wrap it up. Let's yeah. I'm gonna do a haul of like this bag, what is in this bag. The other plane didn't have this bag. They put the things in like paper, in like a plastic bag. So this is really cute. I'm carrying this home most definitely. So let's see. There's a pair of socks, a sleeping mask. I'm doing this fast because we're about to take off. So there's a sleeping mask. I'm gonna carry this back home. A pair of socks, earplugs. Oh, you see, I wanna carry this bag home. This is the thing for putting here and here. It's the sling. Yeah. What is this? Perfume. They put for us perfume. Can you imagine? Wow. But about the perfume, and then there's also this package. It's written DTQ Paris. It's from Paris. I'm shouting. So inside is body lotion and face cream. Thoughtful because I don't have face cream. And lip balm. Oh, this is so nice. This is actually the best package I've seen. Even the other airline, they didn't have like such a nice package. So they also give us like lingerie, like pajamas. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wear mine definitely. So let me open and show you guys. Okay, the lights are going off, but let's do this quick. I got a size medium. I'm gonna carry this home. They have slippers, guys. Be for real. Are you mad? What the fuck? This is so cool. Oh my god, I've never seen this. Pajamas. Pajamas, guys. Pajamas. Oh my. Don't know why I ordered two days. And now we're about to take off and I have to finish all of them. So
سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون.
Okay, I come back. So they also give you a menu, a food menu and a drinks menu. And this menu was super wide. Like they have from starter to appetizer to the main course to dessert. They also have ice cream. I didn't get okay. They also have ice cream. We'll get to that later. So I was really like, wow, this is really nice. Like this was so nice, guys. This was so nice. They also have a breakfast menu. Like, oh my days, it was so nice. They have like cocktails and mocktails and like it was like a wide menu. It was pretty wide. So this is the wine menu. So they have the champagne that they have, all the champagnes that they have, all the wines that they have. They also have like cognac and gin and like whiskey vodka. Like, guys, I was so shook. To be quite frank, I've never seen this. So this was new to me and I was like, I want to live here forever. I was so impressed, honestly. This was so cool. They also have cocktails. Like, bro, they also have beers. Come on.
I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy.
Okay, now this is the part that got me. They have a do not disturb button where if you press, no one is gonna come to your suite, sorry. And they also have another button where if you want someone to attend to you, they come immediately. Can you imagine? They also have sockets in their plane, guys. I've never seen that ever. Like you can put like a whole plug there. They also have like places for like your USB, and if you want to charge your phone, that's I think a remote for the TV. Guys, this plane, can you imagine? Like, guys, this is so nice. I just wanna take me back. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, stunning, beyond. Oh my god.
things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time with you, man.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up. I look a mess, ignore it. I just woke up. It's around 4 a.m. I landed in Cape Town at 5. So right now I'm about to have breakfast. I'm having an omelette, a smoothie, croissant, water. So yeah, I'm literally so tired. Like I've actually slept well, but I'm just so tired. Like I feel sick. That's how I feel. I actually feel sick.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the
Exactly aligning the west to compartment under the state point of view. The ensure that you separate the price, remote control created with the blinds open. Capacity emergency to the control please and remind you to keep the area clear of all items. Electronic devices and mobile phones are engaged in flight for just this time.